Hello everyone, my name is Salmonaj. I am studying ninth class. My school name is JPP Boys School in Rajoli.
My name is K. Joshua. I am studying ninth class. My school name is ZPPP Boys School in Rajol.
My name is Sheikh Samir. I am studying in ninth class. My school name is JPP Boys School in Rajol.
My project name is Maze Game.
Components: breadboard, Arduino board, joystick, survey motor, jumper cables.
Introduction. In this project, we will be building a maze game using Arduino using electronic platform based on easy to use hardware and software. It's intended for anyone making interactive projects.